Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Roblox memory dump error. The application encountered an unrecoverable error in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue. For that we just need to check your graphics card driver and network adapter are up to date. For that, right click on the start icon, select device manager, click on it, expand the display adapter section. In here, if you are using AMD or other graphics driver, you just need to right click on it and select update driver, select search automatically for driver and close out of here. And the same thing for network adapter section, expand it. And if you are using Wi-Fi or Ethernet, you just want to right click on it and select update driver, select search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. After getting this, close out of here. We can also try updating, search for updated driver on Windows Update, click on it guys, click on check for updates. If anything listed over here, you just want to download and install it guys. Everything after downloading this, go ahead and restart your PC guys and go to search menu and type cmd. You just need to click run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to type ipconfig space slash /dns ipconfig space slash flash dns, press enter. Successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now you just need to type netskaich space winsock space reset, netskaich winsock space reset, press enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, check whether your problem has been resolved or not. But if you're still having a problem after doing these steps, let's fix that issue guys. For that, we just want to reinstall Roblox to fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type installed apps, click on open it. In here, you just need to search for Roblox, select the Roblox player. You just need to select it and select uninstall guys. You just need to uninstall it, Roblox player. After uninstalling it, close out of here, right click on the start icon, select run. In this run window, you just need to type percentage local app data, percentage local app data, percentage again, click on OK. In local, you just need to search for Roblox folder. You just need to right click on it and select delete guys. After deleting it, close out of here and you just want to restart your PC. Now click on restart, and after restarting your PC, go to search menu and type store, opens up Microsoft Store, click on open it, search here Roblox, press enter. Here we get Roblox game, click on it and download and install it guys. Just need to get option, click on it, and after installing it, your problem will be resolved guys. You will be get login option, click on login, and after logged in, your problem resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.